Chase, how you doing?
Good, Troy. How about yourself?
How's everything been going?
Good, man. Springtime is my busy time, as you know, and school just got out. We're working across the street from this school doing a walkway job.
Is that your company logo?
Yeah, CMG Landscaping. So, yeah, man, I just want to get started and buy some real estate.
I always tell people, they're like, how do I get started? I tell them there's two answers. Get started on your own or hire a coach. I promise you, you'll have your first deal within 90 days. Are you ready to get started?
Yep.
Let me introduce you to the program that will help you build your real estate portfolio, flip properties, eliminate tax liability, put your earned income into passive real estate investments that will make money while you're on vacation. I can help you with all that. Who you are, I believe we can get 3 or 4 properties by the time you're done with this course.
I'm here with Robert. I just bought 2 of his properties in all cash. Robert, how was your experience working with me and my team?
Actually, a great experience. It was very convenient. Everything got done swiftly. The communication was great. Quick, clean cash offer.
Thank you, Robert.